Welcome back to the Boardroom Breakdown. Across the insurance industry, carriers are funding massive modernization and AI initiatives, yet the central engine of enterprise value, the combined ratio, remains stagnant. Enterprise value gets trapped when carriers treat underwriting, claims, and distribution as isolated lanes for technology upgrades. Each department improves its own workflow, but the enterprise itself remains disjointed. Sustainable value requires abandoning these fragmented upgrades. Carriers must shift to a connected execution architecture that aligns data, governance, and decision rights across the entire value chain. When executive committees judge modernization by the volume of IT activity rather than measurable operational outcomes, systemic fragmentation continues to leak margin directly into the combined ratio. This siloed approach generates severe operational friction. Carriers face increasing operational complexity, inconsistent underwriting execution, and persistent claims backlogs that drive up the expense ratio. Execution breaks down when lanes fail to communicate. Brokers face duplicative submissions, and underwriters price risk without claims intelligence. To fix this, insurers need a decision architecture. This horizontal governance layer bridges AI, risk controls, compliance, and frontline workflows. AI pilots will not generate enterprise return on investment if they sit on the perimeter. Instead, the technology must be embedded directly into the core operating mechanics of risk selection and claims adjudication. Claims is the ultimate trust moment for a carrier. The speed and fairness of resolution must explicitly tie to customer experience and operational economics. Instead of a historical archive, claims intelligence must flow upstream to sharpen active underwriting decisions and pricing. Furthermore, distribution friction taxes growth. New broker portals only generate value if the operating model has the capacity to process incoming submissions. Upgrading digital interfaces for agents and policyholders yields zero financial return if the back-end operating model remains too fragmented to execute on the resulting growth. As carriers expand these digital ecosystems, cyber and operational resilience represent a core part of the market promise, requiring systematic design directly into the operating model from day one. To move from strategic intent to operational impact, Mesh Digital utilizes strategy and motion pods. These cross-functional execution teams directly align workflow redesign and data enablement to move the enterprise scoreboard. Boards and C-suite leaders must audit their current transformation portfolios today. Every modernization initiative requires strict, provable accountability to lowering the combined ratio. The next era of insurance transformation will not be won by the carriers funding the highest volume of AI pilots. The winners will be those who orchestrate their business as a single, accountable system for value creation.